Hey friends, welcome back to another grocery haul. The kids are having fun upstairs if you hear that. I did Kroger and I shopped through the app so I could use my coupons, and I believe they use third party. I believe they use Instacart. So I got a lot of things. There were some substitutions though, so I have it kind of mismatched everywhere. So I'll start you over here. We got everything bagels, and a lot of this was on sale. I'd say 95% of it was on sale except for a few things. We did get pumpkin snickerdoodle muffins to just change it up. I'm making a casserole and tried to go healthy, but they ran out of the soup, so we're using classic cream of potatoes. I typically don't use soup like this, but the casserole called for it. My husband really likes it, so I want it to be authentic. My mom used to make it all the time. I got a wedge salad. I don't know, I was craving it, so I thought it would be really yummy, and I like it because it comes with the bacon packet, and I can put that in different things for my husband throughout the week. Well, maybe just one thing, but they were on sale for $1.99. I ended up getting some shredded hash brown potatoes. I wanted the store brand, but they only had these. We got hash brown patties for breakfast. We got some sourdough bread for pimento grilled cheeses. I can't wait to show you the meal plan. It's unique and fun. We got some palmetto cheese spread, which is the pimento cheese that I like the best. I really do enjoy making it, but again, easy is what we need right now with this pregnancy of mine. I am struggling to keep up. We got some organic sour cream. We ended up getting reduced fat, Simply Organic Truth milk, and then we got 2 things of extra creamy oat milk. We got some burrito size tortillas, and then my free product this week was the American cheese. We ended up getting 2 things of organic sharp white cheddar, a big thing of macaroni. We got some asparagus. For my husband, we got buffalo wing Cheez-Its. Then we got his energy drinks. We got blue raspberry and sour heads. For myself, I got some vitamin water. I've been going through this pretty well, so I'm happy that I can keep some water down with a splash of this in there. And then I just got some easy sides. Not really happy with the portion. This was $7, and you just get that with a few little things of broccoli. So definitely could be making that on my own. I was just trying to find some easy things. It was $1.25 off, but still, I still think that's a lot. That's just me though. I got some Sunday beef pot roast for my husband. These are nice to just throw in the oven really quickly. He enjoys this with mashed potatoes. We got some Mrs. T's pierogies. Yes, I have plenty of pierogies. I like to make them on my own, but I am making some easy sheet pan recipes, and I just wanted to grab these Mrs. T's and leave those other pierogies in the deep freeze. I went ahead and picked up some strawberries. Fun fact, I have been allergic to strawberries in the past. They've given me hives, but we're going to try it out. It's been a while. It's been like, I don't know, 12, 13 years, and they sounded good. So I'm going to go for it. If I break out into hives, send some prayers for me. It's my own fault, but we're going to take it slow. We'll see what happens. We got some organic blueberries, some honey crisp apples. We got some organic bananas, and we got some grapes. As you can tell, I was a little on a fruit kick, and then I just brought it home with some salt and vinegar chips, of course, to balance that out, you know. And then our favorite coffee, Pete's Coffee medium roast, that was on sale, so pretty excited about that. And that was it. We spent a total with tip of $110, which is pretty good because last week we went over a little bit. So I'm happy. I'm going to get this put away, and I'm going to actually show you one of the recipes that we're making. So stay tuned for a crock pot meal as well as a meal plan for the week. I'm going to start including more recipes in the grocery haul and meal plan because I love doing it. All right, let's put these away, and I'll see you in a second. All right, the kids are playing, and I snuck in here to share this meal plan that I just finalized. So for Monday, which is today, we had pancakes with fruit. We are having BLTs with avocado. When I do BLTs, I just leave the bacon off and add cheese and avocado to mine, mayo and tomato. And then for dinner, we're having potato casserole. I'm going to show you that recipe here in a second. And we're going to do a baked chicken to start the week off so I can do chicken salads and chicken wraps for my husband's lunches. And then for Tuesday, we're going to do potato pancakes. That's tomorrow morning, and we are going to make those potato pancakes out of the potato casserole leftovers. We're going to do some fruit with that, and then for lunch, we'll do chicken salad for the kids, and I've really just been doing like an apple and cheese and crackers, kind of like a charcuterie board, but I don't know, without the meats, I guess. And then for dinner, we're doing those pimento grilled cheeses with sweet potato fries. I forgot to write that down, but I'll remember that one. And then Wednesday, we do have a quiche in the freezer, so I took that out and put it in the fridge, and we're going to do the broccoli and cheese quiche. The kids really love stuff like that. And then if we have some fruit left over, we'll do that. And then for lunch, we're doing harvest salad. So we're going to do raspberries, spinach, a little bit of gorgonzola or blue cheese, whatever we have in there. And then we're going to do some balsamic on there and some walnuts or almonds, whatever we have in the cabinet. And then we're going to do that broccoli rice. We'll probably add more rice to that because it was such a small portion. And we're going to do coconut shrimp with homemade cocktail sauce. I just do horseradish, ketchup, lemon juice, a little bit of salt and pepper, and mix that together. And then for Thursday, we're going to do some bagels with veggie cream cheese. We do that every week if you haven't noticed by now, but we really love it. And it's a great way to use up leftover veggies in the refrigerator. And then for lunch, we're doing pierogies and asparagus. That's just simple and easy. We might do some bread on the side, but pierogies are very filling for us. And then for dinner, we're doing Cajun rice and beans. And then for my husband's, I'll do smoked sausage on the side. We have some bison sausage in the freezer when we bought but I think we bought a fourth of a bison for the year, so we have plenty in there, and we'll just add that to the rice. And then for Friday, we're going to do omelets and fruit. When the kids do omelets and eggy things, I just do toast, like a savory toast or an avocado toast. And then for lunch, we're doing some sort of soup and a grilled cheese. I have one with me here. And I'm going to carry that in to dinner because I'm going to do soup in the crock pot. And then for Saturday, my husband will be here, so we'll do sausage, gravy, and biscuits. And then for lunch, we'll do a fried rice bowl. I think I'll just do some leftover shrimp in that or some leftover sausage for my husband. And then for dinner, I'm going to do curried veggies, and instead of rice, because I didn't want to double up on the rice, I think I'm just going to do some Thai noodles, and then I have some momos that are frozen. We used to go to a restaurant all the time called Sherpa's, and they served that, and it was delicious. And then for Sunday, we're going to do leftovers. I think we're going to go out to lunch somewhere. And then for Sunday night, we're going to do leftovers as well. And that is our meal plan for the week. I'm excited to stick to this one. I've been able to get back into the kitchen, and it's just really fun for me to get involved in the kitchen with the kids as well. So you can screenshot this if you'd like. And please ask me for any recipes that you are looking at and you just need some exact ingredients on. Here is what you're going to need. I did a different recipe just because we're trying to clean out the freezer, but you're going to need some hash brown potatoes, just a bag of those. We have some frozen carrots in there, but you could add whatever broccoli you want. You're going to shred 8 ounces of whatever cheese that you'd like. You're going to do half a stick of butter and then some sort of creamy soup. And then you're going to do about maybe 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. And I say whatever soup you want. I really love the Pacifica corn chowder with roasted red pepper. It is plant-based and has really clean ingredients, and it just gives this casserole a nice little spin. But again, this was for my husband, so I'm trying to make it as authentic as possible. My mom always made this for holidays in the crock pot, and I remember the smell, and I will say it just smelled just like home when I made it, and it was really fun for the kids to help stir throughout the day. So I just mix everything in a bowl here. You don't have to do that. I just like it well combined. And I am going to put a half a cup of that can of water in there, and then just half of this cheese, salt and pepper, and then I'm going to mix that up, and you're going to save that cheese and a little bit of that butter for the top of the casserole. So just mix this until it's well combined, and what you're going to do is just put those potatoes in there, and then some of those carrots. Again, you could put whatever type of veggies in here. You could even put some sweet potatoes in here, which I've done in the past. You could do broccoli. You could do some extra onion. This is delicious with asparagus, but you would add that towards the end. But these are carrots that we grew in the garden. I went ahead and blanched them and froze them. We got about 8 bags this year, which wouldn't be enough for the entire season. So I ended up going to the farm stand and getting some of their carrots, and I ended up canning some of those as well, just so we have shelf stable and we have freezer carrots as well. So as you can see here, I'm just mixing it in there, and then I'm going to put this on low for around 8 hours, but this cooks in about 2 to 3 hours. And then what I do is just keep it on warm, and we kind of pick throughout it for the whole day. But I'm just going to put a little bit of butter in there. I would say I used 1/4 of a stick of butter looking back, and then putting that cheese on top of it. It was absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed a few bites of it. The kids enjoyed it. And then I ended up just serving this with some baked barbecue chicken for my husband to take in his lunch. And this was the final product. I am going to end the video here. I know it's a little on the shorter side, but I did want to just have this video as a meal plan, grocery haul, and recipe. Stay tuned this week. I do have a cozy, relaxing nighttime routine coming towards you. I have a day in the life, and then we have some budget dinners that are very easy for everyone to make. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, everyone.
You should hit